Hi guys, I'm Neha and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel about technology. In this video, I'll be discussing the method to find IP address in Windows 10. Well, when your device is connected to a certain network, a unique address is assigned to your device so that the network can identify your device easily and uniquely, and we refer this address as the IP address. IP addresses are of two kinds: private IP address and public IP address. Your device is assigned a private IP address when it is connected to a private network, such as a network created using Wi-Fi. The private IP address is unique within the private network only. All the devices connected to the same private network share the same public IP address. Now let us talk about the public IP address. This address is unique globally and it is provided by the Internet Service Provider. For example, a device connected to a global network is assigned a public IP address. Let's start with finding the public IP address first. Just open any internet browser and Google what is my IP. And you can see that it is specified my public IP address is 49.36.44.7. Now let us find the private IP address. To find the private IP address, launch the command prompt window and type the command ipconfig and press enter. It will display the private IP address of your system. As for mine, it has displayed 192.168.1.104. There is one more alternative method to find the private IP address of your system. For that, go to Settings window. And in the Settings window, you have to click on Network and Internet. You can notice that my system is connected to a Wi-Fi network, so I have to click on Properties over here. Scroll down to the bottom and you can notice that it has displayed private IP address of my system, which is 192.168.1.104. So in this way you can find the public and the private IP address of your system. For more description and explanatory screenshot, you can refer our official website qhow.com. I had provided URL for the same in the description below. Please like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel about technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself.